Hi, Dave Snyder here. It's the 14th day of December 2013. I just want to make a quick record of this overlay here. This is see this pattern in the Indian Ocean right now in the weather. I also brought up a picture from Wonder Maps there. Let's see, it's lined up pretty good with that. Pretty well. Might be a little too big. It's fine. Anyways, I like using the white picture better anyways, so let's just use this one. It seems to be working better today with that picture right there, and it seems to be a little bit bigger because it must be because it's at the equator. But this, you can see this solid cloud pattern here. See how it just happens to fit right inside that area of Schrodinger. See that? Okay, and then look at the curve. This edge is perfect, and then look at this up here, damn near perfect. Look at that. Showing it real big. I think it shows things pretty big around the equator. When you get around here in this area. It's actually not at the equator, but it's pretty close. Probably showing it. It's about, let's see. That's about right. 1,100 miles. Yeah, that's right. It just looks big to me or something. Right there. It's only 200 miles across on the moon, people. That crater. I don't know if it's because it's up in the clouds above the Earth that it's that much bigger, but I can't imagine it being 5 times bigger in the weather than it is on the moon. I mean, it's usually when I put it on the Earth, it fits just about this size as well on the land. So just showing you that, just showing you how it fits. Another Schrodinger pattern. Like I said, whenever you see a weather pattern on the Earth that looks like this, about that size, and you see a circle that size in the weather anywhere on the Earth, you can be assured that that's Schrodinger. Just reverse the Schrodinger crater, overlay it right here in the circle, and it'll fit. And you'll see that circle here. And apparently, I don't really remember seeing it here so clear in the past, but that's a good one. That's for sure. And then you'll see it over here at times. You'll see a perfect circle right in here, and that's Schrodinger. Up here, you'll see a perfect circle, Schrodinger, right here, this area, or up here, this area right here, I've seen it last. Up here, it's kind of crazy right now that you're seeing all these weird spirals up here up by Greenland. But you'll see it right here, Schrodinger right here, which is, I think they're just doing some weird shit with the clouds up here. I mean, they've been doing, see how they do this right here? They're doing that they do that on purpose. But Schrodinger will be right there, and then you'll also see, I've seen it right here, and I've seen it right here, and I've seen it over here, all up here. I mean, I think it actually did move around. I think it hit the Earth and then moved around. You know, I can't imagine it being, and then it also probably impacted the continents as layered, layered continents. Probably not all individual impacts. It's possible though. All right here, just showed that one the other day. Right here. I've seen it up here. Yeah, I've seen it down here. I've seen it all over. There you go. That's what you look for. That weather pattern right there. It's not real. That's the most detailed one I've seen on here since the flooding of Colorado. I mean, that's a pretty good one. Not bad. For Google Earth hasn't been showing much lately. So anyways, that's it. And I looked at the full South Pole of the moon here, and it didn't really appear to fit really well. But you got to remember, there's like multiple impacts. The way I think is, it hits when there was a supercontinent on the Earth, it would hit the same place on the different areas of the moon would hit the same place on the Earth, because all these craters, like the Mare Oriental Basin, Copernicus, the South Pole of the Moon, they all share a similar pattern. It's not noticeable by just, when you look right at it, it looks totally different. But when you get down to it and you overlay them over the top of each other, they were hitting the same place. Copernicus, Mare Oriental, what's the other one? Crisium, and South Pole of the Moon, all have hit the same place on the Earth. They all share similarities in their pattern. So, anyways, that's it. Have a good day.